Hi friends, good afternoon. I hope you're all having a great day. Today I am not here. It's actually my birthday um, today, so I took the day off and um, just kind of enjoying time with family. So I have recorded this lesson for you. It's gonna be a little bit of a change, right? You're not going to be signing into ClassKick or anything. Just kind of follow along with the video. We're going to do things like we normally would, but when it comes to building those words, just kind of you can either take out a piece of paper and try building them. I'll give you a little bit of time to build them um, as I sound them out, but then I will build it for you and you can just kind of see if you did it right. And you can always pause the video at any time if you want to, as I say a word, if you want to pause it so you can think about what it is and how to spell it, and then hit start, and that way you can actually have a little bit more time even. If it seems like I'm going too fast, you can always pause at any time. But we'll be building some words today. We'll be going through our warm-up cards for sounds, and then we'll introduce a new um, technique that we're going to be using, the blank tiles, to just kind of tell the difference between a vowel and a consonant as we're spelling words, and how even that is going to help us determine where those sounds are and if it's a blend or just even how many sounds are even in a word. Is We'll get to that at the end of our lesson. Okay? I'll try to make it where it's just a 30-minute lesson, but it might go a little bit over too. So hopefully it won't. All right. So our first part is the warm up. So we are going to be using Baby Echo and going through these sound cards. All right. So you can do the same thing that we typically always would do at home is after I say it, I'll hold it up and then you would say the sound and the uh, letter and also the word. Okay. So repeat after me. X, fox, x. E, ed, eh. CK, sock, k. Q, queen, qua. SH, ship, sh. WH, whistle, w. CH, chin, ch. O, octopus, ah. TH, thumb, th. And that brings us back to the first one. So we are done with our warm up for today. That means we're going to move on to our next part. This next part, we are going to be just tapping out the words that we see on the screen. All right, so remember, a tap is one tap per sound. Since we don't see any digraphs there, you will be tapping out all of those sounds. If it's a blend, you can kind of put them together, okay? So the first one, right up here, we have app, app, strap. Go over here. Bull, end. So it's bull, and, bull, and, blend. So this one, the BL is blended, so it's bull, and the ND is and. So it's bull, and, blend. All right, next one, ump, st, ump. So this one, stump, ST is blended, so it says and then the MP is blended, so it's mp, mp, stump. All right, and then the last one is tr, st, tr, st, trust, trust. This one, the TR is blended. So you can take both of those sounds and kind of do them a little faster together. And then the ST is blended together. So it says st, trust, trust. So here we have blends. This one had a 3-letter blend. But for the most part, it's a lot of blends that we've kind of been talking about the last couple days. All right. Cool. Well, that's done for that part. This next part of our lesson today, and I know it seems like it's probably going a little faster because you're not in class and I'm not waiting for everyone to respond. So this lesson probably will go a little faster than it typically would. And feel free to pause at any time and take that time to solve an answer or to repeat it, whatever you need, okay? So this next part, I'm going to say a sound, and I want to see if you can pause it and see if you can determine what letter makes that sound, okay? I'm just going to do 4 sounds, and it's kind of just like a game, okay? So the first one is J, J. All right, pause it if you need to think. Otherwise, if you said J, you would be correct. J says J. And if I flash the card, remember J, jug, J. All right. So if you got that one, great. If you didn't, practice saying it a couple times and so that we'll remember it. Okay, J says J. All right, our next one, uh. What letter says Pause it if you need more time to think. But if you said you, then you are correct. Remember, you up, you up, you says Again, if you got it, great job. If you didn't, practice it a couple more times so you remember it. Next one, what letter says t, t? Pause it if you need more time. But if you said T, you are correct. So if we look at the flashcard, T, top, t, T, top, t. All right. Again, great job if you got it. If you didn't, practice it a couple more times, sorry, so that you can get it a little faster next time. All right, and the last one, B. Pause it if you need more time. If you said B, you are correct. B, bat, B. All right. So that's just a little bit of review of some sounds. I'm not going to do a whole bunch, but that was just a little game that you might be seeing a little bit more often, more letters. But I just wanted to kind of introduce it. Sometimes we might do that where I'll say it, and then I want you to respond by saying what letter says that. Okay. So that brings us to our next part. We're going to build some words together. So this is the part I'm not going to have you get into class kick, but if you would like to get out a piece of paper, you don't need to turn it into me. So just, it could be on anything, a whiteboard, whatever you have, you can go into and you can build these words with me. And if you need to pause at any moment, you can in order to write the word, and give yourself that time that you need to think about it before I write it down. Because again, I'm going to go a little faster just for time's sake, but feel free to pause. Okay? So our first word that we're going to spell is the word rash. So I'm going to sound it out and then I'm going to spell it. And if you need time, pause it, okay? And spell it before I give the word to you. So it's rash. Rash. So if you tap that out, try spelling it. I'm going to spell the word now. So again, pause it if you want time to do it on your own. So it's R, A, and then the digraph SH. So rash. All right. And if you're back with me and you got that one right, great job. Again, if you didn't, No worries. I always tell my kids that, it's we learn from those mistakes, right? We get better when we make mistakes because then we remember those mistakes, and it's okay, right? I make so many mistakes, and you learn from them. So it's a growth mindset, right? So I love growth mindset, and I love talking about it. I'm not going to talk about it all right now, but yeah, we learn from our mistakes. We get better at things through making mistakes and kind of working through those challenges that we might have that come up, right? So our next word for us, and again, pause if you ever need to, is the word such. So such, such, such. All right, pause if you need, otherwise I'm spelling it. S U and then the digraph CH. So if I were to tap this out again, it'd be ch, such, such. All right, nice work. On to the next one. Our next word is slip. I'm going to sound it out. Tap it out with me if you need to. Slip, slip, slip. And that one had a blend in it. Pause if you need, otherwise I'm spelling it. S L I P. So here we have our blend, the SL blend. So soul, ip, slip. All right, our next word, we have 3 left. Our next word is vest. I might wear a vest. So vest, vest, vest. And that had a blend at the end of it. All right, pause it if you need more time. It's V, E, because E says eh, and then S, T. The ST, that was our blend. It says st, st. So this one, if I sound it out again, it's v, st, vest. All right. We have 2 more words. These ones are 5-letter words, so they're a little longer. And these ones have the 3-letter blends or 3-letter digraph blend. So just be ready for that, okay? So the first word of the last 2 is shrug. So ugh, 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 shrug. Pause if you need more time. So this one is SH, sorry, the digraph, and then it has the R. So this is actually a digraph blend, and then the U for and then we have the G. Shrug, shrug. All right. Our last word. Our last word is the word bunch. So bunch, bunch, bunch. And this one again has a digraph blend. Pause if you need more time to spell it, because I'm sure some of you probably do. Pause if you need, otherwise I'm going to start spelling it. Ch. So it's B-U-N-C-H. And the N-C-H says nch, nch. B-U-N-C-H. All right, friends, that brings us to the end of our lesson. Again, I never got to doing the blank tiles. It's just I'm running out on time. I only have 15 minutes of recording. So I'm going to let you go. You do not need to turn anything in. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great rest of your day.